Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how you can do refund in Shopify. So guys, if you are new on my channel then please go ahead and click the subscribe button down. So without wasting any time, let's start. So guys, if you see, I'm currently under Shopify orders page. And on this page, we can see all the orders. Now to do a refund of particular order, we need to click on that particular order. So guys, if you see, the order is already been paid, so that is a prepaid order. Okay, and to refund the order we need to click on refund button over here. So as soon as we click on refund button, the refunds page will open, and then we can see the order that was basically a place, that is the order number is shown over here and the product. Okay, now, in order to refund the amount, we'll click on this arrow, top arrow, and then it will show the quantity as 1. Okay. Now, let's add the refund amount. How much we want to refund. Okay. And I'll enter the refund reason also. So, I'll say order is uh, damaged. Okay, and then guys over here you can see the payment gateway, like on which payment gateway the order was placed, and from the same gateway basically the refund will be processed to the customer, and there is an option to send a notification to the customer saying that the refund has been processed. So guys, this is how we do it. And if you see, the item subtotal is 629 and shipping charges is 100. So this is how the basically order details basically. And now let's refund this particular amount. Okay, so refund, and there we go, we have processed the refund successfully guys. This is how we do the refund in Shopify orders. If you guys like this video then please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down. Also press the bell icon to get all notifications to my new videos. Thank you.